Hello everyone, I'm excited to walk you through Voltxt, the next-generation Solana payment platform that is transforming how businesses accept cryptocurrency payments. So let's dive in. The official website for Voltxt is voltxt.io. So what is Voltxt? Voltxt is a payment processor that will help you collect payments on Solana network from your customers or anyone. And the best part about Voltxt is that it settles your payment within just a few seconds. And it charges a very low fee of 1%, and the system is completely non-custodial, that is, you have complete control over your business payments, etc. Voltxt supports both Solana and USDC payments at the moment. Apart from payments, Voltxt also allows you to create an e-commerce website without any coding required. We'll discuss this later on our storefront page, so let us move toward to features and discuss them in detail. On Voltxt, you can create invoices and share them with anyone and collect the payments on Solana network. It also allows you to integrate any eCommerce website, like WooCommerce, WHMCS, OpenCart and many more using a pre-built plugins. This will allow you to easily collect your payments on your eCommerce site. You can also use our API documentation and create your own integration plugin. Let us discuss about the pricing now. Voltxt charges a straightforward fee of 1%. And it is completely free to sign up and you don't have to pay any upfront fee and there are no contracts. You can check out all the details on our website. Let us discuss about the storefront feature of Voltxt now. This allows you to set up your own store and collect the payment directly to your wallet without requiring any coding, and it's completely free of cost. Let us discuss what you get in our storefront feature. You get your own brand store domain name. You can sell both physical and digital products. You can create product variants and options like size, color, and other options including quantities. You can also create coupons. You can easily track all your orders, sales, and complete revenue reports. So basically, you're getting a complete eCommerce store with all order and product management system. And this is completely free of cost. You can view all the features over here on the website. As you can see that we have a lot of features available on the storefront. You can view all of them here. So let's now see the integration options. As you can see that we are offering plugins for integrating your e-commerce website using our pre-built plugins. We are currently offering a WooCommerce plugin and WHMCS plugin and OpenCart plugin. You can also create your own custom integrations using our API documentations. If you are interested and if you are a developer, this would be very helpful to you. And many more plugins will be coming soon. Let us now move to our app now. This is how Voltxt login screen looks, so we offer several methods for logging into your account. You can use Google, Twitter, GitHub or any of your social account. And you can also connect your wallets like Phantom, Solflare, and we have 90+ integration options. You can connect any of these wallets easily. More important detail I would like to share with you here. If you use any kind of social login Voltxt, you will set up a wallet on behalf of you and this wallet will be used for all the payouts and settlements. If you connect using your existing wallet, then that wallet will be used for all the transaction. So let me connect my Phantom wallet and show you a demo. So you can click the Connect. So it's asking us to confirm the transaction and it's not a payment transaction. After logging, this will take you to the Voltxt dashboard. Here you can track all the payments and the revenue reports and the recent transactions. On the top you'll see a network toggle. You can toggle between the mainnet and the devnet. The mainnet is used for the real transactions and the devnet mode is used for the testing purpose. You can easily toggle between the two here. For the demonstration purpose, we'll use the devnet for now. The first step after joining is to create a store. Enter a store name and enter a domain name for your store and an optional description field and then support field to create a store. The payment settlement address will be automatically fetched from the wallet that you have used for login. So let me fill out these details. Here you go. For the devnet, it will append a test. Let us leave the remaining fields as optional. And you can see that the store has been created. There are various options for managing the store from here. So first, let's see how to create an invoice. Here, you have to select the store under which you want the invoice to be created. And enter an amount. You can choose any currency from here. And you have to set an expiry date for the invoice. So after you've entered the details, and voila, invoice has been created. You can view the invoice or share this URL with the customer from whom you want to collect the payment. So on the invoice page, you get an option to choose between Solana and USDC. So for this payment I'll be using Solana. This is how the invoice is going to look. You can see here that it has converted that 1 USD to Solana with today's rate. This is a dedicated payment address for this invoice. You have to use this address for making the payment. You can also use the QR code if you want. And you have to send this exact amount to the provided address over here. And you also have an option to directly connect your wallet and make a payment. So, and if you want to change the currency, then click Change the Currency from here. You can convert this invoice to USDC as well. I'll show you here. Invoice is now USDC and a new address is provided. Note that once if you have made the payment to this address, you should not change your invoice. Currency. So let's go back to Solana and make this payment using the crypto wallet. You can easily connect any wallet and make the payment automatically. If you prefer the manual method, you can use these details for making the payment. But if you want to pay it automatically using your wallet, you can use this option. So we already have Phantom connected to our browser, so I'll use the same. And you can see here, it's asking us to connect. And now you have to click Send So Payment. This will open a confirmation box. So as you can see here, it's showing us the confirmation screen. You can see here the details. And once you press confirm, the payment will be debited from this wallet and sent to the invoice address. Now it will take at least 30 seconds to verify the transaction. And note, you don't have to press back. See, the payment is now completed. Let's check it back now. You can see here we have created an invoice. And this is invoice amount, and this is the amount of SOL we have received. You can view all the details here. You can see over here the payment address. You can also see the transaction details on blockchain. And you can see that the invoice is completed. That is, invoice has been settled. To your wallet after detecting the fees. You can see the payout transaction over here. This is Solana Explorer you can see here. All the details of how the payout was done and who received how much. And because the amount for this transaction is small, it's very difficult to see difference in settlement amounts. Another feature I like to show you over here. It's merchant page. If you have used PayPal, you must be familiar with the payment pages that PayPal offers like you can use. This payment page is to collect payments from your customers by simply sharing the URL of your payment page with them, and they can enter any amount and pay you. So we have a similar system over here. Enable this option. Select a page username. Let's save this form and we can test. Oh, it's not available actually, so let's say one. It's still available now. So this is an optional description. You can enter your logo URL as well. And you have to select the store for receiving the payouts again. Note all the payouts will be done to the store you have connected. And the address that is connected to that store. So let me click Save and set up merchant page. And the merchant page has been successfully created. So you can use this URL over here. Let me show you. So you have to share this with the customer and they will insert their name, email address and the amount they want to send to you. And they'll be taken to invoice page. We have already shown how payments works. Previously in this video. In this way you can allow your customers to enter the amount and collect payment from them easily. Now we are on the store page. Yes, it's here. Let us now create a product and add to this store. So before creating a product, you have to first create a category. So let us enter a random category name. T-shirts. Okay, let's enter some description. Cool t-shirts, it's a physical product. So I'll choose physical, and if it is a digital product, we'll be selecting digital over here now, so we don't have any parent category yet. So let's leave this parent as blank and let's click Create. We have created this category and let's see if it is showing over here. Yeah, you can see that the category is showing over here. Let me create a sample product to show you how it works. Here first select the store. And let's call this product as t-shirt. Product type is physical product and we are selecting the category t-shirt over here. You can enter the product SKU. You can also add any image URL for showing the product image for this. You can select the currency. You see here we have various options for selecting the currency. Let me put this as $10 for this t-shirt. And here you have to enter product weight for shipping calculations. Okay, so next, yes, it's an active product and let's mark this as product feature product. Oh, let's add some custom options over here like size. Let's enter a value MLXL. And it's added now. You can see that option is created. And now let's add another option called color. Let's add an option black. Oops, sorry. Let's redo this option. And you can also select a product tag like the limited edition or one new product, whatever as per your requirement. And if it is on sale, you can select the sale and let's click Create Product. So you can see that the product is now created, and one more thing we have to configure after creating the product is to manage the stock for this product. And it's an optional, but if you don't enter any stock values, then it will be considered an unlimited stock product. So for every variant, like for the medium size and the black color, we have to enter the stock here, and if there is a change in price, you can do the adjustment. Similarly for the medium size, we have blue color t-shirt and you have to enter stock. It will show all variants which we created. On previous page. For now, I'll leave this blank values. Let's now check our store. What we have here. So you can see the product is now showing here. You can view the product. You can see that it's showing the configure option. We'll select this size for now in the black option. And click Add to Cart. Okay, you can now see that the product has been added to the cart. Let's go back to the store and see if you add more products here. You could select more products. But for now, one option, we will proceed with the checkout. And one more thing like I want to share with you here is that you can also provide coupons. You can manage your coupons. Over here, let's create a coupon. Say welcome. Coupon code is welcome20 and the coupon name is welcome. You can enter the coupon start date, discount type percentage, or if you want to fix some fixed value you have to enter the amount. Well, for this demo we will use 20% discount. You can use many more config options for this coupon. Usage limit, and we have a lot of options for configuring these coupons, so you can choose whatever you want. We have created this coupon welcome20. Let's go back and use this coupon and enter this over here. And press the apply. You can see that the coupon is now applied and it says 20% off applied next. And you can enter the shipping details, and after entering the details it will take you to the invoice where you can make the payment. So for now I'm entering this random details. So we are now at the invoice, and for this invoice I'll be using USDC. I don't know if I have 8 USDC in my current wallet. Let's test. You can see that amount is 8 USDC and we only support Solana network. If you send any other network payment, then the funds will be lost. You can copy the payment address and the amount of 8 USDC and transfer the funds on Solana network. For now we'll use this crypto wallet automatic payment option. And we have already connected a phantom and will make a payment of his $8. Let's test first if the 8 USDC balance. I guess I had 10 USDC in my DevNet wallet, I guess. Let's wait for the transaction to process. It takes some time. Taking time depending on network. Finally, payment is now complete. So here you'll see that the order has created. From here you can track the order. Customer will receive this order tracking link on email. Let us now go back to a dashboard and see the order in the dashboard. You can check the orders from here. Here you can see that the order has been placed, and you can see the details of the product. Customer ordered this and the next. Step after receiving an order would be marking it for processing. Next, you can enter the tracking number and mark the order as shipped, and when the order is delivered, you can mark this order as delivered. All the status change notification will be sent to the custom. Anyway, so this is how the orders management system works. We can close this order. And you can view all The invoices for orders you have received on the Invoices page. So that's it for today. I hope you liked our tutorial videos, and we will soon be launching our NFTs, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. Thank you for watching.